Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing a massive haul. I have ordered from Sephora, I've ordered from Morphe, I've ordered from Jaclyn Cosmetics, and I'm here to show you everything that I got. So if you're interested in seeing all the new and fun and exciting makeup that I got, then keep on watching. So I have this massive box right here. To be fair, I know that the Sephora holiday sale just started. I kind of messed up and ordered this all last week, like days before the sale started, so I'm really upset. I could have saved some money. But this is what I would have gotten for the holiday sale because I got it even before the holiday sale. So yeah, we're gonna start with the product from Mcgrath. So I recently got the face quad from her holiday collection, and it contained a highlight. That was my very first Mcgrath highlight. And I've just heard so many incredible things. So I did decide to go off of her website because it was the only place for me to purchase this baby right here, which is her new Skin Fetish Sublime Skin Highlighter in the shade Lunar Nude. And I'm so excited. I love her packaging. From the experience with the highlight, I definitely enjoyed that highlight, but I feel like from looking online, this one's gonna be even better. Like, look at this packaging. So stinking beautiful. Everything is so shiny from her whole entire brand, and it's so satisfying. Like, look at that. Is that not a luxe highlight or what? I mean, you really pay the money for it. This is an expensive highlight, but I'm really excited to test it. Let's just swatch it. I have to. Ooh, yeah, that's a little more light reflective than the one in the palette. So I am really excited to actually see what this does. These are supposed to be some of the most finely milled, like, beautiful highlights with the most stunning effects, like that wet, super natural looking, like almost like cream highlight in a powder form. So I'm super excited to now have this baby. Let's move on to Sephora. I got the Natasha Denona, something from her holiday collection. It is the Mini Metropolis eyeshadow palette, and it's a holiday exclusive because it comes with a little brush. It's the first time I've ever had anything from Natasha Denona come with a brush included. So this is really pretty. I definitely saw this and had to get it because it looks so beautiful, and I really love the mini palettes. Number one, because I just love Natasha Denona's eyeshadow, but number two, because they're a much more affordable way to test her eyeshadow. So if you look at this, it has a stunning like color scheme to it. I will obviously touch base more about like what's behind the palette when I do review it. I will be reviewing everything in today's haul, so stay tuned for some really exciting videos. It has a really beautiful gold. It has a beautiful like teal. Looks like it has some different like colored glitter in there, and then some beautiful mattes to really, you know, create a beautiful look. And then this is the actual brush, which is like a mini brush, but it looks like it's gonna be a really nice brush. Like, it looks like good quality. So I'm really excited to test that. Again, I'm a huge fan of Natasha Denona. So the next product is the Nars Air Matte Lip Color. I'm a little late in the game for this one as well, but like, I don't care because I'm just excited about it. This is supposed to be a super lightweight, like air, like lightweight like air, you know, get it? And super matte, but like not drying, very smoothing, like that kind of blurring consistency. And it's a liquid lipstick, so it's supposed to be long wearing, very comfortable, lightweight. This is the shade Shag. Ooh, that consistency does look really nice. Like, it looks like one of those like super lightweight, super almost moussey consistency, but a little less thick. Like, it's very thin, and the shade is really pretty as well. So super pumped, and definitely hoping that that will turn out as good as it sounds. The next product is also a lip product, and it is by Makeup by Mario. I tested the contour stick and the cream blush stick and really fell in love with both of those. So I'm really excited to be testing his lipstick. It's supposed to be a very matte lipstick. I feel like every brand nowadays is advertising these like matte formulas, and the new up and coming like formula that all brands seem to be creating is this very like blurring, you know, lightweight matte but not drying finish. And I feel like every brand seems to be coming out with it. Ooh, this looks very interesting. It actually reminds me a little bit of the Pat Mcgrath lipstick when you actually look at the bullet. So this is one of his matte lipsticks in the shade Kate. It's his Ultra Suede lipstick. Ooh, it does look very, very matte, as you can see. Really nice from the swatch. I like the shade. And I'm excited to actually see how it wears. So yeah, if I don't test these individually, like in a dedicated video, I will be doing like a testing new products video, so stay tuned. I did also order the lip liner, but there were 2 products that are coming from farther away. They must have been out of stock anywhere close to me. So they're gonna be coming next week. So I did also get one of his lip liners, which is supposed to go hand in hand with the lipstick. So again, pumped about that. And I also got the Norvina by Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeliner in like a cream shade for like the lower lash line and just for some graphic work. So another one I'm really, really excited to test because I'm on the hunt for a good like lower lash line cream shade. Super, super hoping that this will be the one because it has good like claims. This is the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes mascara. I am finally testing it. And as soon as I saw it, I knew I wanted to test it. It looks like a beautiful formula. It has great claims. It's supposed to be the perfect everyday mascara to build volume, lift, and lengthen. So kind of like everything you want in a mascara. And it's also a brand that I find is pretty reasonably priced, which I really enjoy. And I've honestly, everything I've tried, I've really enjoyed, and some of their products are like my absolute holy grails. So hopefully this will be another one. Packaging looks super, super cute, which I typically feel about Rare Beauty. I've really been a fan of their packaging, and it looks like a really nice wand. Like it looks like one that's gonna really volumize. It has very densely packed bristles, but it also isn't super, super like caked with product. So it looks like it's gonna be a good one. I've heard incredible things about this, so I'm really, really excited. The next product that I got is the Huda Beauty Rose Quartz eyeshadow palette. It is her brand new eyeshadow palette, and I saw it and I just had to get it. It looks absolutely stunning. What happened there? Oh, it's broken. Well, it's just the clasp, so I'm not super upset about it because at least it's not the eyeshadow that's broken, but that is a little disappointing. But I mean, it still works, so I guess what can I say? This is the palette though, guys. Look at how, number one, let's slow down, Caitlin. This is the packaging. Like from packaging to the actual palette, does it not look like one of the most stunning eyeshadow palettes you've ever seen? It has that beautiful like purple theme to it, but it has some more like neutral shades in it. It has that marbled like metallic formula. It has their beautiful matte formula, their regular metallics. It does have one of these. I wasn't a huge fan of that in the last palette, but to be honest, it's only one shade. So even if it doesn't turn out to be a good one, again, I am really excited because these shades look to die for. I can't wait. Comment down below which products you want to see reviews on first so that I know like what you guys want to see. I want to review what you guys want to see first. So I think that's everything I got from Sephora, but still like that was a lot in itself. And then I also have a whole bunch of products here from Morphe, and this is the stuff that I got from Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics. So I did order this stuff through Morphe because they did recently have a sale. I will link everything down below. I don't know if when I'm posting this, if the sale is still gonna be on. I'll write in the description if it's still on or not. I do also have a couple more things that are not included in today's video coming straight from Jaclyn Hill's website because they were not available on the Morphe website. So I will be doing a full Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics video, so stay tuned if you want to see everything that I got and all these products used like in action. So she recently came with her holiday collection. I'll be honest with you, nothing from the holiday collection like screamed my name. I was more interested in trying the stuff that's already come out because I'm a little late in the game when it comes to Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics. So I honestly just went with what I really wanted to test personally. So first what I got were 2 of the lip liners. So I did not get her holiday shades because they were basically all red, and I'm just not a huge red lip person. but I did get the shade Macaroon. These are supposed to be really, really creamy, highly pigmented matte lip liners. I've heard incredible things about these as well. When you look at the packaging, they look absolutely stunning, like super pretty. And I've even seen people swatch them and they just look to die for. So this is the shade Macaroon. Really, really love that shade. I'm so pumped. And then the shade Blondie, which I'm really pumped about. It's a little bit of a darker shade, or like more nude, I guess, which is really nice. So like a nice pink and then a nice nude, not too dark, because I'm not a huge fan of like super dark lips, but I like a little bit of a darker lip liner. Oh, so pretty. And they do look like really beautiful formula. So I'm super excited to test those. I've really heard so many good things about those. Of anything from her new like brand, that is what I've heard the most like raving about, so I'm excited. The next product is one of her liquid lip sticks. So this is her long wearing Luxe Matte color that stays put on your pout. So it's supposed to be super long wearing, super matte liquid lipstick. Love the packaging. It's to die for. Like literally to die for. I'm obsessed with her packaging. And this is the shade. So it's like a little bit peachier and a little bit lighter than the Blondie lip liner. Grabbed those two to kind of go together. So they look like they're gonna go together really well. And I'm excited. I can't believe I'm finally testing Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics. So the next product that I got is the new Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Divine Neutrals palette. So this is through Morphe, but it's also, this isn't specifically Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics, but it's like a Morphe palette. You know how she has her two large palettes, some of her smaller palettes? Well, this is the newest one, and I just had to get it. This looks so beautiful. It's the Divine Neutrals. It's supposed to be a better formula. That's what she said on her Instagram when I read, when she posted it, but it looks so pretty, and I love the way it's laid out. So on the top, you can see beautiful layout of super stunning neutral mattes, all the way from cream to like a dark brown. And then on the bottom is almost like the matching metallic that kind of goes with it. It's such a beautiful layout. So an even number of mattes and metallics, they kind of go hand in hand. Everything is beautifully thought out and laid out. I'm super pumped, love the color scheme, and I am so excited to try it. The next thing I got was the Jaclyn Cosmetics Rouge Romance blush palette. So this is from one of her relatives. She's come out with a lot of collections in the last year, and this is one of them. I think it's from the Rougie Bougie collection. And this is her powder blush palette. So this is a dreamy palette featuring 6 beautiful long wearing shades in silky, soft, matte finish, which is my favorite. And love, like again, to die for packaging. I really, really think she's nailed the packaging. And when you actually look at the palette, I wasn't sure which one to get. This one's actually, I think, supposed to be for lighter skin tones, because the other one, well, I think it's actually supposed to be more cool and more warm. The other one was like really, really orange, and I'm not super a huge fan of like orange blush. So I thought these, especially these 4 shades, are gonna be definitely wearable. And then these, if you just use a really minimal amount, I think they'll definitely be wearable as well. And plus it's good to have some fun colors, but like, look at that. Doesn't that just look so fun? And it's like, there's so much fun, like, and depth, but then there's also really wearable shades in here. So I like the variety that it comes with. I'm so excited to do like a full Jaclyn Hill video. I'm so excited. And then the last product from Jaclyn Hill, but also just in general, is the cream to powder blush stick. I got it in the shade Impress. This is the packaging. Again, really, really pretty. I'm a huge fan of cream blush, and I've heard incredible things about these as well. This is the actual blush. So it's super bright, but I think you could use it on a more like minimal way and like blend it out really nicely. Like look at it, it's already blending out beautifully. Ooh, it's gonna be so pretty. So this is supposed to be a cream to powder blush stick that transforms on your skin for a gorgeous, effortless wash of color, which is my jam all the way. So I'm really, really excited to have this in my collection. I am so excited to have a new roundup of products. I've got so much stuff. I'm really excited to test them all. I hope you guys are excited too. Stay tuned for some really, really exciting reviews, some really, really exciting videos. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys next time.